Kill me. What it do, stock crew? Let's get this money, you feel me? What it do, y'all? We back here with another stock video. You know what I'm saying? Because on this channel right here, we give the most fireest ideas. Matter of fact, let's rewind it back a notch. I did call out a play on PLTR ticker symbol about 2-3 weeks ago. I told you guys, look, you know, this is the time where you guys want to put your money into this stock, whether it's an option call or just buying shares of it. It's the time to get into the call, right? So I gave out this stock idea, and I even named the title of the freaking YouTube video, do not miss out on this stock, it's gonna blow. Because I wanted to emphasize, you know, gosh, you guys need to get into this, right? So I called this play actually back in August 20th. Right, so today is the 16th of September. So, you know, it's about, you know, close to a month ago. And I said, guys, this is the time to, you know, buy shares of this, or, you know, even better, put an option play for it. Cause this is gonna blow up, right? It's gonna blow up. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna share my screen with you guys, and we're actually gonna go to the stock ticker symbol PLTR, right? So if we go back, like I said, I called this August 20th. Right, August 20th, I called this out. And I said, guys, you know, it's gonna blow up, you know, whatever it does, just put your money into it. It's definitely some good money you can make from here. And, you know, usually when I suggest buying stocks, you know, I mean 50 to 100 shares of that stock, because, you know, you can make a lot of money from it. Or even better, like I said, do an option play for it, right? Because, you know, you can make a lot of money off of option plays. So when I called that out, this stock was at $24.01. Right, $24.01 a share, right? So now if we fast forward a month later, right now we at $28.27, right? That's a $4 gain in 1 month, right? And if you had bought 50 to 100 shares of this, you'll be up, you know, $200-300 right now at minimum, right? So guys, right, when we name these ideas out, you know, on this channel, because everything on this channel is going to be certified, right? And mind you, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm none of those type of things, right? I'm just somebody who studied the market and I know what I'm talking about, right? So when I share an idea, make sure you do not miss out on that. Because like I said, this is a stock right here a lot of people has made a lot of money on. This was actually called out in the stock market group chat, you know, as one of the many plays that we got into. And you know, the rest of the plays, I don't even want to get into that because it's been looking crazy right now, right? And if you feel like that's something you want to join, click that link down low. It's a Discord chat, and there we have all the, you know, our stock market analyzers study and evaluate the market and give us different ideas daily, whether it's an option or whether it's even, you know, just buying some shares of it. Oh, now, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you guys idea number 2, you know, the second official idea in this channel. And that right now is not gonna be a buying call. It's actually gonna be a sell. We wanna sell a market, right? And one of the markets that I'm looking to sell, one of the markets that the chat has called, you know, everybody evaluating, etc., is market ticker symbol DELL, right? Dell. Right now I'm gonna share my screen right here, just so you know, you guys can kind of see what's going on here, right? So right now it's at $100.78. I personally got into this at let's see, what are we at? We're plus $2 right now, right? I got into this at $100.85, right? And if you look on the charts, this market right now is way overpriced, right? It's way overpriced. If you look at it from the day perspective, even the hourly perspective, it would tell you that this market right here is way overpriced. And right now it has a high volume heading towards the sell direction, right? So guys, remember, when it comes to stocks, it's all waves, right? It goes up and down, right? So it just depends on, you know, if the buyers are out profiting the sellers or if the sellers are out profiting the buyers, right? So when we see a wave happening or we see a certain trend happening, you know, in this example right here, a downtrend, we want to get on those waves, right? We do not want to miss out on this type of opportunity. And me personally, I think this could drop anywhere from $100 to $94, right? If it hits $94, that's bingo, right? That's my personal goal, but I'll take anything, you know, $95, $96, I'll get out this play. But guys, you know, like I said, if you're somebody who takes options or, you know, different things like that where you can sell a market and make profits for it, I highly recommend getting into this Dell option play. Right now, I actually got it for the expiration date November 15th, right? Because guys, you always gotta remember, the more time, the better, right? You do not want to get into something quick and then it might not have moved the way that you thought it was going to move, but now you don't have no time left, right? I just wanted to get on this channel just to share with you guys, you know, another idea that we're going to get into, a part of this 10K challenge. So With that all being said, man, make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos that's dropped here on this channel. Because like I said, you're going to be missing out on money. At the end of the day, you're going to be missing out on money. Or even better, you're going to be missing out on ideas, the education, actually learning why you should get into a plan, why not, and et cetera, and et cetera. And if you want to have 24/7 access to these ideas and calls that's made from our market analyzers in the stock market chat, click the link down low. The Discord link will be there. Like I said, let's get active, man. Let's make some money. Let's start investing now so later on, we could prosper from it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, you do not want to miss out on any more content here on this channel. And give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about getting into this play the same way I am. And with all that being said, guys, peace.